According to Mukhaini 2023, percentage distribution is the allocation of selected studies based on specific categories, represented in terms of proportion or ratio of each category to the total number of studies.
This is the formula on how to get the percentage distribution. P is equals to F over N multiplied by 100%, where F is equals to frequency, N equals to the total number of frequency, and P is equals to percentage. How do we get the percentage distribution? First, we identify the frequency, or F, the number of specific value occurs in a given data. Next, identify the total N and solve for its overall value. Next is we divide the frequency by the total, or N, and multiply the result by 100.
Now, let's try to apply percentage distribution in real-life research problem. In the study, awareness of prohibited acts of penalties under RA 7610 among school teachers of Bagabag, Nueva Vizcaya, and its influence on their level of compliance. Let's try to answer the question. What is the demographic profile of the school teachers of Bagabag, Nueva Vizcaya in terms of age, civil status, highest educational attainment, and length of service?
Table 1, the percentage distribution according to age. So as we can see, the age ranges from 20 to 59 years old with a frequency of 10, 33, 34, and 31. The total frequency is 108 that will be divided from the frequency of each age range and multiplied to 100 to get its percentage distribution. Based on the table, majority of the respondents belong to the age group of 40 to 49 years old with 34 or 31.50%, followed by the age group of 30 to 39 years old with 33 or 30.60%, followed by the age group of 50 to 59 years old with 31 or 28.70%, and 10 or 9.30% belongs to the age group of 20 to 29 years old. To sum it all up, it could be gleaned further that the school teachers of Bagabag Nueva Vizcaya were generally less than 42.94 years old, which further suggests that the respondents were middle-aged.
Percentage distribution according to civil status. In the table, the civil status are single, married, and widow, with a frequency of 10, 95, and 3. The total frequency is 108 that will be divided from the frequency of each civil status and multiplied by 100 to get its percentage distribution. Based on the table, almost all the respondents were married with 95 or 88%. 10 or 9.30% were single, and 3 or 2.70% were widow.
The table 3, which is the percentage distribution according to the highest educational attainment. In the table, highest educational attainment are doctorate degree, master's degree with doctorate unit, master's degree, bachelor's degree with master's unit, and bachelor's degree, with a frequency of 1, 4, 22, 78, and 13. The total frequency is 108 that will be further divided from the frequency of each educational attainment and multiplied to 100 to get its percentage distribution.
Based on the table, majority of the respondents were bachelor's degree with master's units as manifested by 76 or 72.20%, followed by bachelor's degree with 13 or 12%, 12 or 11.10% of the respondents were master's degree. 4 or 3.70% were master's degree and doctorate units, and 1 or 0.90% is holding doctorate degree. Data indicated that the respondents are all professionals, possessing the necessary skills and knowledge that come with their educational qualifications. The highest frequency indicates the respondent's contemplation for higher levels of education. Let's go for Table 4. Percentage distribution according to the length of service. In the table, the length of service ranges from 1 to 39 years with a frequency of 13, 26, 35, and 34. The total frequency is 108. That will be divided from the frequency of each of the length of service and multiplied to 100 to get its percentage distribution.
Based on the table, majority of the respondents were serving 10 to 19 years, as manifested by 35 or 32.40%, followed by respondents serving 1 to 19 years with 34 or 31.50%, 26 or 24.10% were teachers serving 20 to 29 years, and 13 or 12% were teachers serving 30 to 39 years.
Indeed, it's a particularly useful method of expressing the relative frequency of service responses and other data.
Thank you for listening.